One step, one chichi man. And you know, say you know. Look out. One blood. Give me pops. The people them want. All clock. One blood. Down, baby. Good job. Log on. People, so them try to hold the fire down. Keep the fire blazing hotter than the sun. Call me. You want to get your kicks? Call me. You want the cheese chicks? Call me. Me have the remix? Call me. From the other day. Like I play some boy I play. Hear the girls call me. Hear the girls ball. Hear the girls crying out. She said, baby, I wanted to get the wicked inside. I need a 1, 2, 3, hold man. I wanted to do it time to the fan. I got back in time, but it's just like a man. I wanted to get the wicked inside. I need a 1, 2, 3, hold man. I wanted to do it in the stand. I got back in time, but it's just like a man. You may know how she must be things that is up. Oh, she take man, she must be think a drop. I hear them up when the missile take off. Me say laugh loud, no girl where you no laugh. Me discipline with the rat and the staff. Apply the pressure, make she
you want juice?
Later. Next time once you talk out, bad man don't play. Bad man don't play. With them baby mother rock. With them baby mother rock. Bad man do it hard. Bad man do it hard. Mexico road to brag. Mexico road to brag. Shut a close door wash. Shut a close door wash. With girl underwear. With girl underwear. Shut a you don't play. Shut a you don't play. So the game don't play. Mad. In this time of fear and loneliness, I want to human them want. What them want? The girls them need. The girls them want. The girls them need a friend. Them need a body. In this time of need and loneliness, I want to human them want. The girl them need. The girl them want. Some introduce myself.
Yeah man, today we have fried some dumpling. We have cabbage. We have steamed some cabbage, you know. Sense and stress. That girl's in love, in. If you want the vitamin S. Barbara, big up, you know. You don't know the thing going on. At the Top Chef. Breakfast vibes, you know? We are New York right now. Look at that. Yes, ladies, I phone a song this, you know.
Is it morning?
Yeah, man, good morning. LA, Wagwan.
Oh, you didn't do it on
Probably do it later. Rinse it off again.
Oh, you have this thing on
Oh. It's okay though. Oh, we can use it still.
Not work again? No. This is dried off. Cabbage on this?
It's probably if it just no cut up like this. What you deal with? Yeah man, you don't know man, we're in the kitchen, you know.
This song is very okay.
I even did that on the show.
Yeah, I've been for the next couple of years to
And we have all of that. Me walk go on. Well, you say if me sell food, well, depends, you know. Yeah, man, me sell food, man, you know, special occasions. And you can hire the top chef, you know. Yeah man, the top chef available for hire in anywhere in the world, you know. Yeah man, we fly go anywhere. Yeah man. We are in New York right now. We drive go anywhere in the tri-state. Look at that. Who that? LA. LA. Big up LA. Party's going all night long. You hear the dog I sing? It's a party, you know, party. And the big song up there, you know. All night long. The whole city lock. Empress, the girl them with the style what we got. Elephant man say. Empress, the girl them with the food when we got. Elephant man. Tiffany.
Oh, you know, there's like a tornado in Houston, like in Houston.
Right now?
Like yesterday, today.
What, so long?
I don't know, like, I don't know if it's yesterday, but recently.
I think I seen a video like
Yeah, I was seeing some stuff, but you know.
somebody run now on store and them soap.
I seen one with the glass was like breaking and like, and they're like, run, get away from the glass, and they still there set up recorded.
That's what they said,
Yeah, like, get away from the glass.
get away from the glass.
They're screaming out, like, you know, it's urgent. Like, the glass burst. They're sitting there.
Put me in too. Come on, Tony, do a wicked thing, man.
Get some juicing recipe. We should juice, man.
I get some fruits. I make some fresh fruit juice later, you see me? A big cook down later, you know, cook up. Why for that? Big cook up later, you know?
Papaya, mango, pineapple, ginger, lemon. That's all nice.
Yeah, man, we start. What time we start? Cook?
Maybe 6.
So late?
5.
Alright, 5 o'clock we start cook. We don't want to cook today. We can cook together, you know. I tell you all the time. So we could plan for it right now. What should I cook later on tonight for dinner?
Legion said good morning. Morning, Legion.
Legion, what go on? Yeah, man.
She said that look good already. Look at that.
Look at that. Yeah, man, some cabbage, man, we are steamed down and then we are fried some dumpling.
It's Legiana.
Legiana?
I think so.
Legiana. Sorry. You pronounce the name wrong.
Barbara said looking delicious.
Big up, you know, Barbara. Yeah, man, but when you ask, you want me to cook tomorrow, later on at 6. We have a thing we call it cook together, you see me? We are going to get the ingredients, tell me what you want to cook, and we tell you the ingredients, and we get it, and we cook together, you know? So you have paper towel today.
Oh, she said yes, he said it. So, Legiana, right? Man, I'm saying Legion.
A Legion, me I call you how long, you know, correct me?
Legiana, you heard? That name is different too.
Unique, you know?
Yeah, she said yes, okay, I'm trying.
Your father name Legion? No disrespect, you know. See the rhythm, yeah?
Oh, yeah.
Hey? No. Our father name Legion, you know? Oh. Anytime you woke up in a real bad man. Yeah, man, you see Cabbage, you know?
She said from God it's okay. I've been called everything. She's not right.
Big up yourself, Legiana. Against the moon.
Which hole he talking about?
You take one shot, put him in a hole.
No, he said rest my Glock against yours. Your hole, right?
A mole is there.
A mole?
I bet a mole is there. Them time you're early hot in, man. They're on fire. So rotted ready. They not be ready like this again, man. Step up in our front line. Sing a J. Fish out that party, boy.
We are both them one to, but man no borrow. No boy no. An original track I make me see.
We are fry some dumpling right now. Look at that, you know. So Gina. Yeah man, it's a blessing man. Big up in a Gina me a call you know. Boom. Pump up hard. Boom. No press people button. Me press trigger, me no press people button. Like how me have 22 in a me something. Fool. Like how me have 22 in a me something. Anytime you're ready for now, we start war. See who love is spread it out, put one it down. See who love the kid like some great man down. Anytime you're ready, yeah. Make some fried dumpling, you see me? Say you want to bust it when you're ready, you fit try. The way you fit do, I make sure you're bullseye. I know you're the still around, so I ride. Your man about come to sing and a buy. Then I them drop me no still satisfied. Now make no evidence but testify. What them I gonna do with no tongue and no eye. Press trigger me no press beat button. Come face me with something. Like how they have 22 in a me something. Then I feel you so forget the next not a fool. Press trigger me no press beat button. You know, so it go. Like how they have 22 in a me something. Yeah man, I say, yeah man, food I think 8 man, you know. War with me. A pinch of salt, you know. She need a boyfriend. She don't need a boyfriend for a boyfriend. And she don't really need another man. And if I open my heart, I can see where I'm going. Yeah man, you don't know in our kitchen you have the vibes, you know. You have the full of vibes in our kitchen and so the food tastes good, you know. Never end. Never end. Just give me the lights and pass the joe. What's another buckle of more? Yeah, let me know my sides and I got to know. Which one is gonna get my? Cause I'm in the vibes and I got my dough. What's another buckle of more? Got him looking high but I got to know. Good idea, but sector, I'm up in every sector. Everyone around them wants on your inspector. But you know let them threaten, I grill you with the lecture. But the boys drink, I them you an inspector. This is collector. Nobody man want like them walk from wreck ya. Don't know the part when you got in your center. But you know you not let them guy they affect you, young girl. Just give me the light and pass the joe. Got them in on the sides and I got to know. Which one is gonna get my blow? I'm in on the bars and I got my dough. Got them looking high but I got to know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I feel love dance before. Yeah man, you know, subscribe to the YouTube channel, you know. Just click the link in my bio. If you go up on my page, you go see the YouTube link. You see me I say? Click that and subscribe to TopChefDundyplace on YouTube. You see me? Yeah man, we are trying to run up over YouTube side too, you know. Give them a run. Give them a run. Go. Yeah, man, a food and music, man, you know? Food and vibes. Make the food nice, you know? Turn on the stove. Dance. Yeah, man, you know? One more cat. Anytime know you shouldn't try. Like they are boy. Why you keep on talking and you running off your knees? Now you know we know that you go slow and you won't speak. Me ask someone do it and they couldn't reply. So they get off these and feel the lies. You need to just report, you know, put no pie. If I'm a woman, I could not die. Man, they stick the woman like a living papa. Oh. Man, live on my big and a shy. When boy I bleed and I beg and I buy. How much style? Hello, fucker. Bye. Big man, a big man. Boy, a boy. Put it with gunpowder and a last color side. Sending it which boy they get destroyed. This boy no taking no shots and no try. No. Keep on doing it and know you shouldn't try. Why you treat your girls and eat your girls like they are boy? Why you keep on talking? Yeah. You running off your feet. Yeah, man, the kitchen full of heat, you know. God, I do. Give me the yelling that the people are the crowd of them. I don't know if they bring me record of them. Can't don't run down me real hard of them. Y'all risk their life over the bad of them. Them no want hold that and this hard of them. Me them walk with the side of them. Okay. What? Really? Yeah. Damn. No, no head. No, no head. No, no head. That be good. Everybody dead. You do that shit. Oh. No, no head. Driver, the Taliban suicider, from Southside to Warwick, this is the whole universe. You know where you are from? No, the engineer shot from. We drove over London, and you kick it like Van Damme. Over East, gas fan. You know last man, tan pan. Open on your mother, put you like tan pan. Bojo bandan, over Hong Kong. Go to Pam Pam. Green Lantern, Green Gang Song, Teflon Carbon, them by far, free the world boss, you know, in a car, better than them by far. You want to be easy? At school, then high school then time, and a big song. in high school.
Wow. That's for that meal going to Friday.
Yeah, man.
We take a call,
Gianna. My daughter named Gianna, you know. With a J. Don't waste my time.
Man, I'm get somebody fast, no shit, and one eye pan and axe, no shit, baby, make you do what you know want to. You want jersey and sharp, so much too. Make the man rest find up for you. Straight Gucci, and be much too. Make the man rest.
Man, put some flavor in the pot. Look at that.
Give me the jack, come in up here and fan. No girl can't promise me last down. I take fuck a run, but get slam. Cover your head, girl.
Pimento, you know. Man go round the no-king.
Don't waste the time. Man, no rock them, make you know that straight up.
Don't waste my time.
When the girl will get the things and be ya, he will define. Grab the bullshit.
Man run.
Picture me and you and me. K-I-S-S-I-N-G. Picture me and you under the tree. F-U-C-K-I-N-G.
Oh man, sit down, the wicked
S-U-C-K-I-N-G.
You want the Q-U-E-E-N.
So me, I am K-I-N-G. The first time, body go in a her. Me wake up to.
Good morning, sir.
Here is the breakfast, what's your preference?
Stop.
Baby, remain as you were. Me not eat in a bed that won't occur. They call me not me beer, now kiss it firm. I like the way you shake it right there. So turn back way and make me get the ends at the center. Picture me and you and me. K-I-S-S-I-N-G. Picture me and you under the tree. F-U-C-K-I-N-G. Oh man, see no, then we give you S-U-C-K-I-N-G. You have the Q-U-E-E-N. So me, I am K-I-N-G. Gangsta no left them guns and me run it. Anyone this give a time make a bunny. No my gun them no go down the money. Nah panic, no boy from them funny. Gangsta no left
Black pepper, you know.
any boy this the pattern with a bunny. No my gun them no go down the money. Any boy this the pattern. My girls them sexy and pretty, beautiful. I love fatty. Them love to sit up and look at this. My girl them pretty and black to see. Babylon them can't chuck me. Me no wanna wrestle man back on me. Down out, expect me to have me in the pocket. Gangsta no left them guns and me run it. Any boy this the pattern
You got on it.
no my girl them no go down the money. Now family them boy from them funny. Gangsta no left them guns and me run it. Any boy this the pattern with the money. No my girl them no go down the money. Now family them boy from them funny.
Yeah, man. Tradition. YouTube, you know, the playlist up on YouTube. You get any music, you know, just type in the era, you know. Just type in 2000 dancehall mix. You see me I say? And you get a bad mix. Thousands of them. Yeah man, big up yourself, you know. Alive. Put your hands in the air. You can swear. You can swear. Nobody's like the wonder. Running the there. They never sing this song again.
I never even heard this before.
TikTok nobody block me, you know.
AKA Dr. Moses, who then get diagnosis.
You know, man, can't tell you what song. You know that song? You know it? Hear it.
David, picture this, breast specialist. I'll give two nipple them in a hand and then
Turn and twist.
swing from the team like we.
You know, I don't think I've ever heard it.
I examine and I give up a
Yeah, sorry, man. I have 2 pieces.
Of course, you can have all 4. Only 2 you want. You hear the massive back in your day.
That was Wallen.
Yeah, we never get cake for the dick. Right now, that massive bro.
Skirt fly like a Nissan Sunny Bunny. When you arrive, don't shy, girl, bump on it. Hey, picture this, breast specialist. I'll give two nipple them in a me and them turn and twist. Sing from the team like whiz. Yeah, you know. Picture this, gynecologist. I examine and I give a proper fixed diagnosis. In our private practice.
Put your AK over the wall.
My big bag.
Yeah, man, forward, man, with there. We are not afraid. I can't tell you no time. Sorry, I'll just say, I'm not ready. Every fan can sing a melody for you one man. Ellie, you can't sing a rocket, Ellie. Melody the way you own, man. You have to remix everything. This is probably somebody else's style too, you know. Guarantee you. Coconut in the buckle of coconut fly. You say you want mackerel? short, you know, eat cabbage, you know, so I make something for her on the side. I think a mackerel for her. You want a oh, that beauty, you say beg your dumpling. Yeah, man, you can't get dumpling, man. You don't know the thing, you know, so much in the pot, man. Big up yourself, you know, beauty. Your name spell unique, though. Yeah, man, Legiana, you don't know the thing, no, man. A long time we there, you know. Yeah, man, so, you know. That's it, everything, you know. The next, as somebody style that. Rock the boat, baby. You know that song, look at that. You don't know, you know. Denny. Yo, no follow Top Chef Denny, you know. He's another chef that, you know, my brother in a real life, you know. Yeah, man, follow him. You don't know we are bad up some cabbage. You don't know me want to eat cabbage, you know. Because we are savage. Look at that. You see me I say? Could I make some porridge? You see it? And over here so we have some cabbage. Yes, how that? Yeah, man. Check out the YouTube channel, you know. I got the video over there, Cabbage. Just click the link, click my page, you see the link on my page, you know what I mean?
You're listening to Lively Sound.
Is it 5 cents too? Yeah. I thought it would be less because it's smaller.
Probably 5 a day, slowly. But if it's bigger, I see 5 cents.
I'm saying I had a water bottle, but I don't remember.
Yeah, man, you don't know, you know. Freddy, me know you got bad up something right now, you know. Look at that, you know, Denny. You don't know the thing going on. Yeah, man. And we have some cabbage over here, so me know it. Yeah, man, big up for the gift, man. You don't know. They in the kitchen, I take risks, you know. Oh, no, man, you like R. Kelly. I'm asking Ellie. Right now, I make some mackerel for Shorty, you know, to get special food, because you know eat cabbage. So you know what she is missing. Don't Shelly. She no want no man named her like R. Kelly. Ellie. She say I'm a little bit like Mackerel. Reading so at the moment, so you go. You'll drop some.
What's up, people? This your place, Lively.
Lively. change up the mix, you know. Black pepper, you know.
Make it look spicy.
Bumbo. Fuck, dropping out the damn thing. Dumpling them done, you know.
Can't go crunch on some sauces in class. I can't go crunch on some sauces in class.
No, don't taste it.
Yeah, I know.
Alright, the paper. Now flour.
Oh wow, this works good now.
Onions. Sharp now.
Should bring it with me. You put batteries in there?
Oh yeah, I see 2 battery change.
Oh, I did see them. I'm wondering what the hell.
Yeah, one day we dash with them, you know. No need to ball, no need to beg.
No, I want to start for you now. You can do so. My test day. Go. I want this mic up my bag.
Somebody call the earth.
Where is it?
Instinct. Need the earth. Witness, big up, you know. Look at that. Make no dying church. All right. You want to know the season? All right, the seasoning you get them from Grace, isn't it? Some of them container they contain season we mix together, you know what I mean? So that's not even the right season. One day I do a video and show you which season I mix together. You know what I mean? But get pimento beans, you know what I mean? Allspice. That's the secret. To make your food taste great. Yeah, you love Jamaican food. Big up, you know.
Sweetness for sweetness.
Let me see some of them. This is for shorty, you know. Shorty, you know, eat cabbage, you know.
Extra pencil in case.
You don't know the top chef now. Can't do like you.
Hello. Gotta find me a nice Jamaican man. Jamaican to marry.
Yeah, man.
Say hi. Hello. Hi.
Yeah, look at that. You see me, I say, alright, this for Shawty, you know? She don't eat that stuff, you know what I mean? Alright. What dumpling you want now? 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 12. Alright, take 5 then. Alright. Yes, my people, subscribe to my YouTube channel.
He said we can't find a nice one. Right?
Well, me have some friend, you know. Me sweetness. Me have somebody for you. Isn't it?
What you looking for though now? What's your type?
Yeah, man. Alright. Oh, me look, my people. Big up, you know, big up. Show no walk. Go on. Guyanese. Yeah, man, you don't know, man. Big up Guyana, you know. Yeah, man. When you say you have white liver?
Okay.
Me I hear you, I see you. Yeah, man, but me have somebody for you, man. Link up, you know. Drop. Write me in my inbox, you see me? Yeah, look, find somebody for you, okay, babe?
Okay.
Yeah, man, at the top chef, you know. Look at that. Yo, Denny, what go on? Yeah, man, you don't know the thing going, you know.
Somebody said I'm ready to order from Uber Eats now.
Chandela, where you live? Yeah, man. He mess up though. Me have some better Jamaican, man. Lady Gianna, big up yourself, you know. Me wish me could have give you a plate. Yeah, man. New York, me there too, you know. You see me? Yeah, man, you don't know the thing going, you know. So we have start the Uber Eats when we can start it, babe. I'm a shorty, I'm a partner in crime, you know, so. Queens. Queens just right there, man, 30 minutes. Me there in a Bronx right now, Mount Vernon side. You see me? Yeah, man, look at that, you know. Make sure you know follow the page, you know. Me I go eat some food now. LA, big up yourself, you know.
Follow the YouTube.
Yeah, man, me I start Rochester, New York. That not too far either, man. Close by, man. You see me, I say? You from Mount Vernon? You probably know me. You see me? Yeah, man, I done the place, man. Look at that. Bond Street. Yeah, man, know every street, man. Yeah, man. But this summer we are cook some food, you see me? We are keep some barbecues and, you know, come through and cook. Well, me come from Jamaica, you know, but you don't know we there now. Mount Vernon right now. You see me, I say? Yeah, man. Me kind of grew up here too. Me came here since me 14, you see me? Yeah, man. Roping. Yo, people, you don't know we are going to link up, you know. Later we are going to link up and cook some food. First Street.
You probably know her.
You must know me, man. That's me I tell you. You probably know me and me probably know you.
Who's red? You don't know the red name.
Which one?
He said you know the name red.
Well, you don't know. Not really still. You know, probably know them face, you know.
Car wash?
Car wash. By,
Where they used to keep parties and stuff?
Oh, by the, where them keep party, we used to keep party. Oh, I don't know red still. Probably know him face, you know.
Yeah, maybe how he looks.
Oh, yeah, man. You go Mount Vernon High School? Yeah, man, I'm Mount Vernon High School, me go, man.
Oh, okay.
Isn't it? Well, from about 2003 to 2005 or 6, one of them. Yeah, man. You used to lock down the school, man. You see me, I say? Yeah, man. But remember, you know, right now, you know, me have somebody for you still. You see me? Yeah, man. But big up my people. Later, we are going to link up again, 5 o'clock. 2000. You graduate long time, man. But you don't know the thing, go. Tracy, big up yourself, you know. You don't know the thing, go, you know, Tracy B. Yeah, man, we are link up back 6 o'clock. What time? 5 o'clock? 5 o'clock, my people. We are cook enough food, isn't it? Go, one. Give me. LA, big up yourself. Yo, we gone, the food I get cold. Look, come on. Big up. 5 o'clock we are link up back. Big up in a weakness. You don't know the thing go.